In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make jerk chicken wings straight in the oven. Stay tuned. Here I have some lovely wings. They are like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prep them up. So I'm going to take these bits off and I just want to cut them like so. So I'm going to just repeat in the process. If you want, you can leave them like this, but this is personal preference. So after we finish this, we're going to give it a wash. I'm going to use a bit of lemon, a little bit of vinegar, and give them a wash. So what I'm going to do with these now, I'm going to core them. Just cut this one off. So when I said core, I'm just going to give it a little mark like this. And I'm going to set them aside. You don't have to, but it's personal preference. All these ones, you can do the rest like this. Just give them a little bit of mark on them. Yeah, so these are almost ready now. So with this now, I'm going to go in with some dry rub. You can either buy it or you can make it. So we're going to season with the dry rub first. Then we're going to get it in. So now I'm going to put some jerk marinade on. You can either buy this or you can make it yourself. Just get your hands in. So that's ready, and get your tray. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to put them on this. So just go ahead and put them on a tray. I just put a big grease paper on it. It's personal preference. You don't have to. But when you're ready to watch your tray, it's easier. Anyway. So now I'm going to put this in the oven at about 200 and then keep rotating it and monitor it. Stay tuned. So with these wings, you have to take them out, and I'm going to give them a bit of turn. So once you keep turning them, these are hot. Just give them a little bit of turn. Then you put them back in the oven. So you take them back out again. Give them a bit of brush. And then we're going to put them straight back in. Oh, so the wings, they're out of the oven. Look at this beauty. Look how lovely these are. I'm just going to plate them up now.